my word. Yeah, go ahead. As long as it's not R.
No, but don't go past him.
Yes.
But I mean, you don't want to make it too tight.
Is it? Alright, well if it gets too creepy, don't watch it, okay? Has it got like kissy stuff in it, or? Yeah.
She jumped
Oh, okay.
too fast, and then she had to go away.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, bye.
And you use your corner for your pink. Bring her back. I got one for the low sugars and one for the high sugar. I think I like both. Well, when I went in to check, they said one person still had to check.